So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can block someone on your X or Twitter app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your X app. So after doing so, you have to find the profile that the person you wanna block. So I'm going to block this person here. Okay, then after finding their profile, you have to click on their profile picture here like this. Then you will enter their profile. So after that, you have to click on the three dot bar icon in the top right corner. You have to click on this option here. Then a bunch of options will pop up. Then you have to select on this option. You have to click on block to block this person. Then a option will pop up to reconfirm that you really want to block this person. Then if you are sure, then you have to click on block option. Then this person will be blocked from your X or Twitter app. So this is it guys. This is how you can block someone on your X or Twitter app in your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.